Hi everyone, this is our math stats project, and my name is Rui.
I'm Kahran, and we're gonna show some of our findings and teach you how we computed the probability, standard deviation, and other type of statistical analysis. This analysis concerns the Mega Million lottery system. There are 9 types of prizes that can be won. So the first one of these prizes is the jackpot. The jackpot is worth $100 million and is the biggest prize that can be won. The second prize, second highest, is $1 million. And then the third is just $10,000, $500, $200, and then 2 sets of $10, so 2 times $10. And finally, $4 and $2. So in order to play, the players must pick 6 numbers from 2 sets of number ranges, 5 numbers from 1 to 70, and 1 number from 1 to 25. So as we discussed, for the highest level of prize in this is the jackpot, $100 million in award. So for the jackpot, we need to get all 5 numbers in the first pool right and 1 number in the second pool right. So in particular, the probability, the odds of this is 1 in 302,575,350. So in order to compute the probability of that, this is how we're going to calculate it. 5 upon 70 into 4 upon 69 into 3 upon 68 into 2 upon 67 into 1 upon 66 into 1 upon 25. This yields a value of 1 upon 302,575,350. And then if you put that into context, it brings us exactly back to our given odds, which is 1 in 302,575,350 chance. This is the exact chance of winning the jackpot of 100 million.
So, after the jackpot, then there's $1 million prize. In order to get a $1 million prize, you need to get a 5 number right in the first pool. But you don't have to get the mega ball, which is in the second pool, right? To calculate the probability of this. So in the first pool, we are winning 5 out of 5 ball, which is 5, choosing 5. And then the 65 are losing, we are losing nothing, which is 65 out of 0. Out of the total, 70 balls, choosing 5 balls. Also, in addition, we have to calculate the probability of losing in the second pool, which is 1 choosing 0, because we're not winning, and 24 choosing 1. Out of the total, 25 choosing 1. And let's do the calculation over here. So and then we'll have it 7.932 times 10 to the negative 8. And let's do the calculation to round up. That will give us the odds of 1 in 12,607,007 and 3,006 chance of winning $1 million in the Mega Million. After the 1 million prize, then we'll have the $10,000 prize. In order to get a $10,000 prize, you need to get a 4 balls right in the first pool, and also plus the mega ball in the second pool. To calculate this, the chance of winning in the first pool is 5 ball of total winning out of the 4, 5 choosing 4, times 65 choosing 1 because we are losing 1. And the total would be 70 choosing 5 ball. And times in the second one, which is 1 ball of winning, choosing 1, times 20 ball of losing, choosing 0, and 25 balls total, choosing 1. And the calculation would be so we have a 1.074 times 10 to the negative 6, and that would run us up to 1 over 93,1001, which is 931,931.01 chances of winning the $10,000 prize.
Moving on to the $200 prize. In order to get a $200 prize, you need to get 3 numbers right in the first pool and 1 number right in the second pool. To the formula. So, to get the 3 number right, we are choosing from 5, choosing 3. And then we're getting 2 runs, so it would be 65 choosing 2. And on the bottom would be the total, which is 70 choosing 5. In a way, we times 1 out of 25 because that's the chance of getting the ball right in the second pool. Total, we would get 6.874 to the e to the negative 5, and compute to the odds that we're giving in the question, 1 out of 14,547. And then we can know it's the same number, which is 6.874.
So finally, for the $2 prize, you need to get 1 number in the second pool right. So for the calculation of probability, this would be, first one would be 1 upon 25, since that's the target when you to get it correct, and then you put the chances of those, so 65 on 70 into 64 on 69 into 63 on 68 on 62 on 67, 61 on 66, and that yields us the final probability of 1 upon 37 chances of getting the $2 reward.
In order to find the standard deviation, we need to find the variance first. To find the variance, we need to find the mean number for the x. Compute all the numbers, and we will get the mean number of 11.2, 3414. And using the formula x minus 2 the square and times the probability of x, and sum the all. And eventually we would get an answer of 5.22 times 10 to the 12, and that'll be our variance. To find our standard deviation, we just simple square root the variance, and that would give us a number 2285,060.262. In order to calculate the expectation, the way that how we do it is by multiplying the price of winning in times the probability, the chance of winning the prize, and add them all up. So for the first one would be 100 million times the odds, which is 1 out of 302,575,350. And this plus this